afternoon everyone. In previous video, we were talking about sorting materials. Topic was sorting materials. This was the topic in previous videos. We have discussed properties of the material properties of material number 1, luster, 2, hardness, third, texture, and fourth, state. And now today we will discuss about the solubility. Some materials dissolve or completely mix in water, whereas other do not dissolve with water. On the basis of solubility, first of all we discuss about the solubility in solids. Solubility in solids, solid substances that dissolve in a given liquid are called soluble substances. What is the definition of soluble substances? Solid substances that dissolve in given liquid are called soluble substances. This is the definition of soluble substances. Solid substances that dissolve in given liquid are called soluble substances. For example, common salt and sugar are dissolved in water. Do practical at your home and you take some water and you take common salt and you mix it and see the result. They completely disappear. Salt is completely disappear and sugar also completely disappear. It means they are soluble in liquid. So what are the example of solids? Salt and sugar. These are the example of solids that dissolve in a given liquid. Definition is clear. Solubility in solids, salt and sugar is solids and they dissolve in water. It means they completely dissolve. Solid substances that dissolve in a given liquid are called the soluble substances. Clear this definition? What are the soluble substances? Those substances which dissolve in water are called the soluble substances. Examples: salt and sugar. Clear? Second, solid substances that do not dissolve in water, dissolve in a given liquid, are called insoluble substances. Clear? The second definition is clear. Solid substances that do not dissolve in a given liquid are called insoluble substances. There are the two types of substances that dissolve in water. They are known as the soluble substances, and the substances that do not dissolve in water, they are known as the insoluble substances. For example, wood, metal, plastic, stone, sand, chalk powder, and wax are insoluble in water. What are the examples of these? Wood, metal, plastic. These are the example of insoluble substances. There is no problem in two definition. One thing, the substances that dissolve in given liquid are called the soluble substances. The substances which do not dissolve in a given liquid are called the insoluble substances. Example: soluble substances sugar and salt, and example of insoluble substances: wood, metal, plastic, wax, chalk powder, stone, etc. Next is solubility of liquid. Solubility in liquid. Should I rub this? Solubility of liquid. Liquid that dissolve in a given liquid are called the miscible liquid. What is the definition? Liquid that dissolve in a given liquid are called miscible liquid. Are called miscible liquid. That is very simple definition. Liquid that dissolve in a given liquid are called the miscible liquid. For example, honey, vinegar, alcohol, lemon juice, and glycerine are the miscible with water. What are the example of miscible substances? Honey, milk, any other? Lemon juice, etc. This is clear definition. The liquid that dissolve in a given liquid are called the miscible liquid. Now second definition, liquid that do not dissolve in a given liquid are called, what we call these type of the liquids are called immiscible liquid. Are called immiscible liquid. Liquids that do not dissolve in a given liquid are called immiscible liquid. For example, kerosene, cooking oils, coconut oils, petrol and diesels are immiscible with water. Example of immiscible are coconut oil, petrol, diesel, etc. Now clear both the definitions. First is liquids that dissolve in a given liquid are called the miscible liquid. Examples are honey, milk, lemon juice, vinegar, alcohol. These are the examples. They mix with water. And second one, liquids that do not dissolve in a given liquid are called the immiscible liquid. Example, coconut oil, petrol, diesel and vegetable oil. Next is solubility of gases. Gases. Some gases dissolve in water. For example, carbon dioxide and oxygen. Aerated drinks have the carbon dioxide dissolve in them, oxygen dissolve in water, which is used by the aquatic animals for respiration. Some gases they do not dissolve in water, for example, hydrogen, helium, nitrogen. These gases do not dissolve in water. So gases that dissolve in water, carbon dioxide, oxygen, gases that do not dissolve in water, hydrogen, helium and nitrogen. Clear these? There are the three things: solubility of solids, solubility of liquid, and solubility of gases. Gases that dissolve in water, they are known as carbon dioxide and oxygen, and gases that do not dissolve in water, hydrogen, helium, and nitrogen.